how to turn off or on Alexa and Dash notifications on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and click settings, and here we'll find that notifications, and here is it. Now you can turn it off or on, and that's it. Then after that, just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.